All right, so it's cashers round and match play day, and none of us are bowling. It's not good. We're on our way to support the boys.
Lived here for 4 months.
And I got a thingy with bowlers journal at 3. But I guess we're still gonna vlog because content is king. All right, boys, what are our way too early takes?
Way too early takes. They look like they were just playing the same as yesterday.
Wow.
And it could be all or nothing.
My way too early take is not a single lefty makes the top 36 or the top 24.
I was like, wow, that's bold.
I say they've already made the top.
No, the top 20. I don't think any of them are gonna make it. I've only seen 2, and they're both rolling big.
All right. I'm not mad about that. You could have done one thing different this week. What would you have done?
Make all my spares.
Would you have made it?
Yes, by a mile.
How many did you miss?
10. I missed 2 single pins and 8 multi pins.
That's a lot.
And I missed by 32.
I don't think I can say the same, but
I was like thinking about it. I was like, man, I missed a lot of spares, but then you think about how many you left.
but still,
Yeah, I'm
10's
like,
a lot.
Yeah, I'm mad about. I missed 2 10 pins, but I left 71 single pins. So I mean, in the grand scheme of things, for normal people, 69 out of 71, it's not bad.
But you're not normal.
I'm not normal, so I'm upset about it.
All right. Well,
I mean, it's some tough spares. 3-6-10, 3-6-9 10s. The rail, you know, very. It's not like regular makeable. It's like a 2-4. You know, you make that every time. 3-6-10, 3-6-9 10.
I think it should be at least 75%.
Yeah, I missed like 1 of each.
All right. Well, we'll do better next week.
He already is. What you mean? He's averaging 250. What do you mean is he going to run him over?
The tournament's only halfway over.
He has a large lead. And he's leading by 300. No. He was leading by 300. No, it's 360. Now it's like 350.
That coveted US Open 300.
Alright, so I guess we just did this thing for Bowler's Journal where Coach Bill Spigner is going to break down my game. So he's going to call me or text me or whatever. And we're going to discuss my physical issues and troubles. I'm sure that's not exactly what it's going to be, but I think that's what this is. So stay tuned. Welcome back to Off Day with the guys that missed the cut. We got Mikey, and we got Kev, and we got Becky, and Chris is the Uber driver. We're on our way. Uber XL. We're on our way to get some lunch. No clue what we're going to do today. Probably end up at the bowling center. And let's see what happens.
Oh no!
What are we doing back there?
Oh no!
At least I'm wearing mids, because they're in.
The mids are in, guys.
My foot's dry.
He said, oh no!
Back at the Royal Pin. Thanks for holding the door. In we go. What are we doing today, Pack? We gonna watch the boys bowl. Are they still bowling? Are they all done yet?
They got 1 game left.
Look who it is. Who do we have here?
We got the man.
The man.
Say hi to the camera.
It's the man.
Say hello.
One day, you're gonna be a YouTube star.
You smell funny.
With 4 to go, Belmo's in 6th, and he's about 150-ish out. Is he gonna make the run?
I have an over-under bet with Packy this next game that he shoots more than 47.
Can't make it.
He's popping.
He's struggling a little bit. Storm balls aren't matching up quite well to what we're bowling on in this house, so don't know. Show is set. We got EJ up top, Simon on the 2. 3 is AJ Johnson, Adam Johnson. Do we think he's going to win his first title?
I mean, if he does, that's going to be an impressive first one because 1, obviously 2, that's open. 2,
He's done it. He knows.
stacked.
He's got
show. A
3,
stacked show.
probably the 3 best bowlers of the last decade on the show.
And he was looking extremely composed today. I was impressed.
But tomorrow's a whole new animal.
But we got fan favorite. I mean, amongst us at least, fan favorite Jake Peters in the 4. Always got to pull for the boy.
He's the sentimental favorite.
I love me some Jake. And then in the 5, the best player to ever play the game, Jason Belmonte.
Yeah.
You can let us know in the comments who you think the GOAT is, but we're living it right now, and I know we didn't bowl during Earl's era, we didn't bowl during Walter's era really, but dude.
The correct answer is Jason Belmonte. Is what it is.
Well, I know this is going up after the show is done, so I hope you enjoyed the show. Subscribe, like the video, just tell your friends about the channel, and we'll see you next week in where are we going? Jackson, Michigan, where we're gonna have success DMC and not fail. Peace.